A very warm welcome to SGEORGE class. SGEORGE welcomes you all. Today is chapter number 4, metals and non-metals. Okay, this is part 1. We will discuss MCQ and all the objective questions. Let's go. Number 1. Which of the following element is a metal? So that is sodium, and sodium short form is Na. Number 2, which of the following elements is a non-metal? So that is a sulphur. Which metal exists in the liquid state at room temperature? आप लोगों ने देखा होगा एक ही ऐसा मेटल है, it is a very unique metal that is available at the liquid form in the room temperature, and that is mercury. Okay, number 4, which non-metal exists in liquid state at room temperature, and that is our bromine. Bromine is also exceptional case, it is available at liquid state in room temperature. Number 5, which metal is stored in the kerosene? As I know all of you have been seen kerosene. Nowadays the kerosenes are used in the flight jet, but we have one metal that is specially stored in the kerosene, and that is the sodium. Okay, number 6, which metal is chemically very reactive? Very reactive matlab it should that the metal which reacts very fast is also known as very reactive metal, and that is our potassium. Option number A, which metal can be easily cut by a knife? जैसे आप एप्पल काटते हो वैसे ऐसा कौन सा मेटल है जिसे आप easily कट कर सकते हो? And that is our sodium. Number 8, which gas is released when metal react with dilute hydrochloric acid? dilute hydrochloric acid that means HCl, ये एक टाइप का एसिड है, तो वो जब मेटल्स के साथ रिएक्ट करता है तो कौन सी गैस रिलीज होती है? एंड दैट इज आवर हाइड्रोजन गैस. Number 9, which of the following metal strips burns with a white bright flame when kept on a candle flame? That is a magnesium. मैग्नीशियम को जब आप फ्लेम मतलब जब आग या गैस पे रखते हो तो वो एक फ्लेम, वो एक समथिंग प्रोड्यूस करता है, ठीक है, वो एक आग, वो मतलब धुआं निकालता है, फ्लेम प्रोड्यूस करता है, और वो है एक मैग्नीशियम. ओके, फिर नंबर 10, व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ नॉन मेटालिक ऑक्साइड? नॉन मेटालिक ऑक्साइड का नेचर कैसा होता है? तो दैट इज एसिडिक इन नेचर, और वैसे ही हमारे मेटालिक ऑक्साइड का नेचर होता है बेसिक. Number 11, which metal can react easily with the cold water? cold water, ठंडा ठंडा पानी आप सबको पसंद होता है बहुत पीने के लिए, पर ऐसा कौन सा मेटल है जो कोल्ड वाटर में रिएक्शन करता है? दैट इज आवर सोडियम. Number 12, which metal has the highest conductivity of electricity? And that is silver. Silver has the highest conductivity of electricity. Electricity मतलब आपको पता ही होगा, current produce होना. Now question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. Number 1, dash is a very reactive non-metal. As we have discussed earlier in the MCQs also, the answer will be phosphorus. Number 2, metals react with acid to produce dash gas. This is a very important question, again and again asked in every questions, and that is hydrogen gas. The foil of dash is used to wrap the food items. अगर आपको खाना जो चाहिए वो आपको अगर बाहर ले जाना है तो उसे आप कुछ रैप करके ले जाते हो ना. वाई यू रैप दैट फूड? बिकॉज टू स्टे हॉट, बिकॉज टू स्टे फ्रेश, एंड दैट इज देन एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल्स आर यूज्ड. डैश इज यूज्ड इन द ट्रीटमेंट फॉर वाटर प्यूरिफिकेशन. प्यूरिफिकेशन मतलब पानी को साफ करने के लिए कौन सी चीज़ यूज़ होती है? तो दैट इज़ आवर क्लोरीन, एंड क्लोरीन इज ऑल्सो ए नॉन मेटल. Now next, the non-metal dash is used to for मेकिंग क्रैकर्स. क्रैकर्स मतलब दिवाली के जो पटाखे होते हैं ना, जिससे बहुत सारी आवाज़ें प्रोड्यूस होती है. और मैं आपको वो भी बता दूं कि जो गन होती है, जो पिस्तौल होती है, जो हमारी इंडियन आर्मी, इंडियन पुलिस यूज़ करती है, तो उनके जो गन का जो पाउडर होता है ना, तो वो भी सल्फर और फॉस्फरस की मदद से बनाया जाता है. नंबर 6, dash and dash metals are used in manufacturing of electric wires, copper and aluminium. अब मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आप अपने घर की वायर्स खोल के देखो उसके अंदर कॉपर और एल्यूमिनियम है कि नहीं है. just you should know that which metals are used in the manufacturing of electric wires, and that is copper and aluminium. Dash and dash metals are used for making ज्वेलरी एंड ऑर्नामेंट्स. ज्वेलरी एंड ऑर्नामेंट्स हम सबको पसंद होते हैं ना, ज्वेलरी ऑर्नामेंट्स. वी लाइक टू वेयर इट इन द पार्टीज एंड ऑल दैट, बट वी डोंट नो व्हाट दे आर मेड अप ऑफ. दे आर मेड अप ऑफ गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर. ओके. ओह सर, आपने तो क्या ही बात बता दी. हाँ हाँ भाई, जानता हूँ आप सब बहुत होशियार हो. नाउ नंबर 3, give question answer in one word. Give the name of the metallic element which is lighter than water. अरे ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता, पानी से हल्का तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. No भाई, this is possible. That is lithium. Lithium is a metallic element lighter than the water. Next number, what is the iron compound formed when iron reacts with the water called? That is the hydroxide iron. Water is also known as water when will react with the iron, then the compound that will be formed, that is called hydrated iron, because the molecular formula of water is H2O. Oxygen will be released and the iron and hydrogen will react together and they will form hydrated iron. Which non-metal is lustrous? Lustrous मतलब चमकना, जैसे आप लोग चमकते हो ना बहुत, मुझे पता है सब लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा चमकते हैं. That is iodine. Which non-metal is the good conductor of electricity? And that is graphite. What is the smallest unit of an element called? That is atom. किसी भी चीज़ के सबसे छोटे पार्ट को बोला जाता है atom. What is produced when sulphur reacts with the oxygen? Sulphur dioxide is produced when sulphur reacts with the oxygen. What is the property of the metals by which they can be drawn into the wires called? And it is called the ductility. And this type of properties only and only metals have. Non-metals do not have this type of the property. Which non-metallic elements is stored in the water? And that is phosphorus, and it is stored in the water so that it do not react with the atmosphere. From which elements can thin wire be drawn? So thin wire can be drawn with the help of aluminium. Which metal foil is used for decorating sweets? आप खाते होंगे बहुत सारी स्वीट जिसके ऊपर सिल्वर कलर की परत चढ़ी होती है. वी ऑल्सो called it parat. Which among the following, aluminium, iron and copper, is the most reactive metal? So iron is the type of the metal that is very reactive. Where is the iron element found in our body? आपकी बॉडी में आपको पता है metals है, बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता होगा. But our blood, that is also an made up of iron, that is hemoglobin. Our blood is also called hemoglobin, and that is iron present in it. Mark the following statement with the true and cross with the false. Okay, true or false. They are very easy, you can do by yourself, but I will discuss with you. Generally non-metals react with acid. No, they are basic. Sodium is a very reactive metal. Yes, it's very true. Copper displaces zinc from zinc sulfate. No, it's absolutely wrong question. Bromine is a liquid metal. I am sorry, this is also wrong. Wires can be drawn from sulfur. Oh my god, they can only be drawn with the copper. So I am sorry. Generally, metal possesses the property of malleability. It's a very correct answer. Very true. Potassium is a very reactive metal. Yes, we all know. True. Copper displaces iron from the aqueous solution of the iron sulfate. Wrong. False. Now let's go with the small question answers. I will not take it very लंबा नहीं खींचेगा. I will do it very fast. Give the name of the 4 metals which are in the solid form. Solid form मतलब जो hard form में है, तो that are the carbon, sulfur, phosphorus and iodine are in the solid form and they are the non-metals. Give the 4 non-metals which are in the gaseous form. Gaseous form मतलब एयर के फॉर्म में या एटमोसफेयर के फॉर्म में, एंड दे आर हाइड्रोजन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन एंड द phosphorus. They are all the gases. Number 3, give 4 names of metallic elements and they are gold, silver, zinc, lead, uranium and copper. You can write any 4 or anything, whatever you like. What is malleability? Malleability means क्या? Malleability का मतलब क्या? तो a capability of being shaped or extended by harming, forging, etc. is called the malleability. मतलब किसी भी चीज़ को मार तोड़ के मरोड़ के उसको कोई भी शेप में लाना, इस प्रॉपर्टी को कहते हैं malleability. एंड मैं जानता हूँ और आप भी सब जानते हो कि मेटल के पास ये वाली प्रॉपर्टी तो खूबी सब कुछ प्रेजेंट होगी. What is formed when sulfur dioxide is dissolved in the water? अब जब सल्फर को पानी में डाल दोगे तो सल्फरस एसिड बन जाएगा भैया. Which 2 metals are used for making electric wires? Copper and aluminum. We have also discussed this in the MCQs that copper और aluminium बहुत ही ताकतवर है. मैंने आपको ये भी कहा था कि भाई अपने घर की वायर खोल के मत देख लेना भैया. What is the effect of sulphurous on acid on litmus paper? अब आप सबको पता है कि भाई सल्फरस एसिड नहीं और लिटमस पेपर पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा. तो sulphurous acid will not have any effect on the paper. What is the effect of magnesium oxide on moist litmus paper? तो moist मतलब गीला. तो magnesium changes the color of the litmus paper. रेड litmus paper का कलर ब्लू कर देगा क्योंकि जो मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड है उसके पास ये शक्ति है कि वो लिटमस पेपर का कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं. I thank you all for being with me. Keep supporting SGEORGE.